Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Afiq, Muhammad Afiq Arish bin Yusri, and from Group 7, MAT112G4. This is our group presentation on business maths, compound interest, and annuity, prepared for Madam Norzana Abdul Rahman. Alright, moving on to the introduction of Group 7 members. First off, we have myself, Muhammad Afiq Arish bin Yusri, student number 2025-204-706. Moving on, we have Muhammad Farish Irfan bin Ayarwan, student number 2025-409-832. And lastly, we have Adif Rifdi bin Dato Rabi Hashim, student number 2025-290-934. That's it for our group members' introduction. Alright, starting off with question 1. Let's read the question first. Emmy wishes to invest 40,000 ringgit in bank for 5 years. She has two options, Bank A or Bank B. Which options should she choose for better financial return? Alright, moving on. Bank A, the principal is 40,000, the K is 3.5, M is 4, and T is 5. Bank B, the principal is 40,000 as well, the K is 4%, the M is 12, and the T is 5. And the formula that we will be using is the exact same for both banks. So after putting the numbers in both equations, we can find that Bank A will provide 47,613 ringgit 59 cents. Meanwhile, Bank B will provide 48,839 ringgit and 86 cents. So she should choose Bank B since it provides 1,226 ringgit and 27 cents more financial return than Bank A. That's it for question 1. Alright, moving on to question 2. At first, let's read the question. 9 years ago, I deposited RMX into a saving account at ABC. The interest rate is 3% compounded quarterly for the first 5 years and 4.5% compounded every 2 months for the rest of the period. If the accumulated amount in the saving account at the end of 9 years is Rm 10,000 ringgit, find the value of X. So, let's use the stated formula to find the value of X. So, let's first put the numbers that were stated into the formula, which is 10,000 ringgit equals P 1 plus 0.045 over 6 to the power of 24, which will get us the first P of 10,000 ringgit over 1.1946413552 which will get us the first P of 8,358 ringgit and 31 cents. Moving on, we will use the second P and put it into the formula, which will get us 8,358 ringgit 31 cents over equals P 1 plus 0.03 over 4 to the power of 20, which will get us P 83883 sorry 8,358 ringgit 31 cents. 0.31 over 1.161184142, which will get us the face value of x, which totals to about 7,179 ringgit and 91 cents. That's it for question 2.
So for question 3, Robbie deposited Rm 16,000 in an account at K% compounded every 3 months. After 3 years, the amount is Rm 18,500. Determine A, the total interest earned, and B, the value of K. So first, if we want to solve the question A, we need to know the formula first. So the formula is I equals S negative P, because the question wants the total interest earned. So if we put it together, it will be I equals 1850 negative 1600. So I equals to Rm 250 fif- 2,500. So that's all for question A. So moving on to question B. So if so the question wants the value of K. So first we also need the formula, which is S equals P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. So if we put it together, it will be 18,500 equals to 16,000 bracket 1 plus I bracket 12. After that, we will move the 16,000 to the left. So it will be 18,500 divide 16,000. After we got the answer, which is 37 divided 32, we need to square foot it. So 12 square foot 37 divide 32. The answer will be 1.012171984. After we got the answer, we will negative it to 1. So the answer will be 0.012171984. After we get the answer, we will multiply it by 4 first. After we multiply it, we also need to multiply it to 100 because we need it in percentage. So the final answer will be 4.87%. Okay, that's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Irfan. So I will discuss about question 4. First, we need to read the question, which is I will sell a commercial lot for 180,000 and use 60% of the amount as a down payment on his new semi-detached house priced at 85,000. He financed the remaining balance with a 30-year housing loan at 4.6% per annum compounded monthly. First, we need to list down all the information that we got from the question, which is this. We have down payment. We got A, T is equals to 30, K is 4.6%, M is 12, I is 4.6% over 12, and N is 38,360. First question is find the monthly payment. So we use this formula and we put all the information into this formula. This formula is the formula is present value. So R equals to 742000 over 1.751590174. We calculate that into this answer, which is RM 3803.32. Next, we go to another question, which is B. Calculate the interest charge. So we use this formula, which is I equals to NR minus A. We put the information 360 times 3803.82 minus 742000. We got the answer, which is RM 627375.20. Then we discuss about question C, which is immediately after paying the 288 time payment, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance. So we use this formula, put all the information we got, and equals to RM 238932.72. Next question is D. If he fails to pay the first 5 monthly payment, Find the amount he has to pay on the sixth payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. So we use this formula. Then we accumulate and we got the answer, which is 23042.76. Okay, for the last question, 5 is Chang buys a smart 4K TV with a cash price of 1899 by making a 15% down payment. The remaining balance is financed through a higher purchase agreement with the bank that charges 5.25% per annum compounded monthly. He agrees to pay equal monthly installment of 488 to settle the loan in full. The bank requires the loan to be fully repaid, and Chongs want to know exactly how long it will take. So it is on all the information that we got. We have the down payment 50% times 1899. We got the cash payment 18999, and this RM 2849.85. A is A is 18999 minus 284985. We got 16149.15. So we don't have T, but we have K. 5.25%, M 12, I 7 per 1600, N is also X, R is 4888. But we we find the new P, which is this one, and we accumulate this to equals to 414.8. And in order to solve this question is we need to use the formula. So we just put the information that we got and accumulate it, and we got 170329 equals to 1.00437.5x. We use logarithm, we accumulate the logarithm, and we got 36.03 equals to 60 mon. That's all from us.